CSC Scholarship, full Bachelor Scholarship and full Master Scholarship in Xian University for 2025. Just, the deadline is near. Just click and have registered and get the full scholarship from Xian University. Just see how you do it. First, you have to create an account. Here, your email. Here, click on Start Application. After that, click Agree. Then, here are a lot of scholarship like Chinese Government Scholarship, CSC, and here Bachelor Scholarship, Xian 5 Central Asian countries, Special Scholarship Program, Master Degree Scholarship, and Chinese Language Program. For example, if you're applying for Master Degree, click Master Degree Program, click Next. Yes, here click Xian University Scholarship, click Next. After that, there are a lot of programs, but you have to choose the taught by English. After that, click Search. Here will be all the field measure for 2025. Here is the deadline, 2025, the 4th month, and the day is 30. So you have to click Apply, then start your application. Here is, for example, if you're applying for Computer Science and Technology, click Apply. After that, you will go directly to application form. No application fee. Just fill out this application form. That's all. Nothing. Just is the best way to guarantee your scholarship for 2025 in Xian University. So, thank you so much for watching this video.